In this video, I'll guide you through how to add and connect your bank account to eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, having your bank account linked is essential for smooth transactions and efficient money management. So let's dive right in and get your eBay account set up for success. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to ebay.com. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the eBay homepage. Next, look towards the top left corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile name. Click on the drop-down arrow next to your profile name. This will reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you can manage all aspects of your eBay account, including your payment information. In the Account Settings section, you'll see various options related to your account preferences. Focus on the Payment Information section and look for the option labeled Payments. Click on Payments to proceed. This area is crucial as it manages how you receive money from sales and how you pay for purchases. Once you're in the Payments section, look for a button that says Add Cards and Accounts. Click on this button to begin the process of linking your bank account. This step is important because it allows you to choose the method through which you want to handle transactions on eBay. After clicking Add Cards and Accounts, you'll be presented with several options. Select Checkout and then click Continue. This step is where you confirm that you're ready to set up your payment method. It's designed to make sure you're aware of the change you're making to your payment settings. Now you'll have the option to choose between different payment methods. You can opt for a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or even Venmo. Select the payment method that works best for you. Each option has its own set of benefits, so choose one that aligns with your financial preferences and needs. Once you've selected your preferred payment method, click Continue. This final step confirms your selection and sets your account up with the chosen payment method. It's a straightforward process, but it's always a good idea to double-check your information to ensure everything is entered correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added and connected your bank account to eBay. With your payment method set up, you can now focus on buying and selling with ease. This setup not only ensures that you receive your payments promptly, but also enhances your overall experience on eBay by providing flexible options for managing your transactions. I hope this guide has made the process simple and clear for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, eBay's customer support is always there to help. Thanks for watching and happy eBaying.